In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule shifts for employees and contractors in QuickBooks Online using QuickBooks Time. This is a simple workflow that helps you plan coverage, set expectations, and keep everything synced for time tracking and payroll. Start by opening QuickBooks Online and signing into the correct company. From the left menu, click Time, then choose Schedule. This brings you to the Scheduling Hub. Look for the green Launch QuickBooks Time button and click it. That opens QuickBooks Time, which is where you'll actually build your schedule. Once QuickBooks Time loads, make sure you're in the Schedule section on the left menu. If it's not already open, click Schedule to view the calendar. You should now see a timeline or a grid, depending on your view. To add your first shift, click the button labeled either plus Add Shift or plus Schedule. The wording can vary, but they do the same thing. They start a new shift entry. Begin by selecting who the shift is for. Choose the appropriate employee or contractor from the list. If you don't see someone you expect, they might not be set up for scheduling yet, so you may need to check their access later. Next, enter the date of the shift. Be mindful of the time zone and make sure you're on the correct day, especially if you're planning ahead for a future week. Enter the start time and end time for the shift. Use the format your account prefers, either AM/PM or 24-hour time, and double-check that the end time is after the start time to avoid errors or overlaps. If you track work by customer or project, you can optionally assign the shift to the relevant customer or project. This is helpful for job costing and for letting your team know exactly where to go. You can also add a memo or note to share important details, such as a location, special instructions, or equipment needs. When everything looks good, click Save to schedule the shift. You'll see it appear on the calendar right away. If you need to schedule more, repeat the same process for additional employees or dates. It's often helpful to keep your view consistent, daily, weekly, or by team, so you can spot gaps or conflicts quickly. As you go, use clear notes and consistent naming for projects to keep your schedule easy to read. That's it. You've created a shift in QuickBooks Time through QuickBooks Online, assigned it to the right person, and saved it to your schedule. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.